Hello there, I'm Astro. Before we zoom off into space, let's talk about the beautiful colors shining in the sky behind me. Those are auroras, enchanting lights that twirl and swirl near the Earth's poles. They appear when tiny particles from the sun meet the air and start to shine. These amazing lights can be green, pink, or many other lovely colors, creating a natural masterpiece in the sky. Hold on tight, future astronauts. We're about to blast off on an incredible adventure beyond the stars. Get ready to explore the mysteries of the universe and see wonders beyond imagination. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Here we go to infinity and beyond.
Hello, little stars. It's time to soar, far beyond our world and explore. With Astro and Friends, we'll take a flight. Learning about space, oh what a sight.
Wow, what an amazing view, so beautiful. Look, little explorers, that's a nebula. Nebulas are enormous clouds of dust and gas where stars are born. They come in all sorts of shapes and colors, creating some of the most beautiful scenes in the universe. It's like a cosmic nursery for stars, glowing brightly for us to admire. Isn't it amazing how space can paint such incredible pictures? Wow, this is so exciting, explorers. Behold the Milky Way, our galactic home. It's a vast spiral of stars, planets, and mysteries, stretching over 100,000 light-years across. We're just one tiny part of this enormous galaxy, living on planet Earth, which orbits around the Sun in one of its spiral arms. The Milky Way is home to billions of stars, just like our Sun, each possibly hosting planets of their own. When we look up at the night sky and see that milky band of light, we're seeing the dense collection of stars in our galaxy. Remember, we're all part of this grand, cosmic dance in the universe. Isn't that something incredible? Let's dive deeper into the cosmos. Whoa, an asteroid ahead. Fasten your seatbelts, my young explorers, this ride might get a bit bumpy. Hold on tight. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They vary in size, from small boulders to hundreds of miles in diameter. It's crucial our spaceship avoids hitting an asteroid because even a small one can cause significant damage. Think of asteroids as cosmic debris left over from the solar system's formation, and our spaceship as a delicate vessel navigating through a field of space rocks. Staying clear keeps us safe on our journey through the stars. Phew! We made it past the asteroids, team. And now, welcome to our very own solar system, a cosmic playground filled with planets, moons, and stars. Each one has its own story, and I can't wait to explore them with you. Get ready for some out-of-this-world adventures right in our backyard. Isn't space incredible? That's a nebula, friends. Nebulas are vast clouds of gas and dust in space where new stars are born. They're like cosmic nurseries. The colors you see are from the gases glowing as they get energized by nearby stars. Isn't it amazing to think that stars start their life in such a stunning place? Guess what, team? We've finally reached our very own solar system. This is where our grand adventure takes an amazing turn, exploring the family of planets that share our cosmic neighborhood with Earth. Get ready for some spectacular sights. Let's explore. All the planets, including our Earth, orbit around the Sun because of gravity. The Sun is so massive that it pulls everything towards it, keeping the planets moving in a big circle around it. It's like the Sun is playing a cosmic game of catch with the planets, and gravity is the invisible string that keeps them all connected. Ah, look there, my young explorers, meet our moon, Earth's closest companion in space. It lights up our night sky, guides the tides, and has been a beacon for dreamers throughout history. Isn't she stunning? The moon's craters and plains have stories of their own, whispering secrets of the universe just waiting to be discovered.
Hi, I am the moon. I am primarily made of rock, with a dusty outer layer called regolith covering its surface. It plays a crucial role for us on Earth, influencing ocean tides, stabilizing our planet's tilt and climate, and contributing to the rhythm of life for many plants and animals. Despite its importance, the moon lacks an atmosphere like Earth's, meaning there's no breathable air or protection from harmful space radiation. It also has extreme temperature variations, making it currently uninhabitable for humans to live there without significant technological support.
Wow, look at that, explorers. That's the Sun, the heart of our solar system. It's a massive star, providing the light and warmth that make life possible on Earth. But it's incredibly hot, with surface temperatures around 5,500 degrees Celsius. Without it, our world would be a frozen, dark place. Though we can't get too close because of its intense heat and radiation, the Sun is vital for us all. Remember to respect its power and the life it brings to our planet.
Hello. I'm the Sun, a huge ball of gas, mainly hydrogen and helium, with nuclear fusion happening at my heart. This fusion creates lots of energy, providing the light and heat that Earth needs. I'm super important for life on Earth. I help plants grow through photosynthesis, shape the weather and climate, and keep nature's cycles going. But I'm also incredibly hot, more than 5,500 degrees Celsius on my surface. Plus, my strong radiation means living here isn't possible for humans. While I'm vital for supporting life, living directly on me is out of the question because of my harsh conditions.
First stop, Mercury, hot and small. Closest to the sun, it beats them all. Mercury, Mercury, small and hot. It zooms around the sun, never stops.
Hi, I'm Mercury. The closest planet to the sun, is a world of extremes and an unlikely place for inhabitants as we know them. Its surface experiences drastic temperature variations, soaring to 800 degrees Fahrenheit 427 degrees Celsius during the day and plummeting to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit minus 179 degrees Celsius at night, due to its thin atmosphere that cannot retain heat. This atmosphere, composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium, is too thin to support human life as it offers no breathable air and scant protection from the sun's radiation. Mercury's rocky landscape is marked by craters, cliffs, and plains from billions of years of meteoroid impacts and solar influences. Without water or a significant atmosphere, Mercury is inhospitable to life as we understand it. The harsh solar radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations make it an environment unfit for humans. Any attempt to explore or inhabit Mercury would require significant technological advancements to overcome these challenges.
Venus is next, with clouds so thick. A planet where no water sticks. Venus, Venus, in the sky you gleam. But you're too hot for ice cream.
Hi, I'm Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet, due to its similar size and composition, presents an environment that is drastically different and inhospitable to human life. The surface of Venus is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, making it impossible to observe from space with visible light. These clouds contribute to a runaway greenhouse effect, leading to surface temperatures that average around 900 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, despite being further from the sun. The atmosphere of Venus is dense and composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with pressures at the surface about 92 times that of Earth's. This extreme atmospheric pressure would crush any human-made landers not specifically designed to withstand such conditions, as it has done to several spacecraft in the past. Moreover, the planet has no liquid water, a critical component for life as we know it. The surface is a barren landscape of volcanic plains and mountain ranges, with evidence of volcanic activity. The combination of extreme heat, crushing atmospheric pressure, and toxic air makes Venus an unfit environment for humans or any known life forms.
Look, it's Earth, our home so dear. With land and oceans, far and near. Earth, Earth, with blue and green. The most beautiful planet we've ever seen.
Hi, I'm Earth. Planet Earth is uniquely suited for life as we know it, making it an exceptional place in the known universe. It lies within the habitable zone of the Sun, where temperatures allow for liquid water to exist, a crucial element for life. Earth's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace gases that provide breathable air and protect life from harmful solar radiation. The planet boasts a diverse range of ecosystems, from lush forests and deep oceans to vast deserts and icy poles, each supporting complex forms of life. Earth's magnetic field shields it from solar and cosmic particles, preserving the atmosphere and ensuring a stable environment. Water, in its various forms, cycles through oceans, rivers, and the atmosphere, sustaining life across the globe. The planet's tilt and orbit result in seasonal variations, which drive a dynamic climate system. Humans have adapted to live in almost every terrestrial habitat, thanks to Earth's moderate temperatures, gravity that allows for an atmosphere and varied resources. These unique characteristics make Earth ideally fit for human life, offering the necessities for health, growth, and innovation.
Mars is red with dusty air. Some say, life once was there. Mars, Mars, red and round. Someday, footprints there might be found.
Hi, I'm planet Mars, often dubbed the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance, is a fascinating world with conditions that are currently unfit for humans without significant technological support. Mars has a thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with trace amounts of oxygen and water vapor, which provides neither breathable air for humans nor adequate protection from the sun's radiation. The Martian environment is cold, with average temperatures around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius, and can drop even lower at the poles. Its surface pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, meaning liquid water cannot exist on the surface for extended periods. It would either freeze or evaporate quickly. Mars is a desert-like planet with a landscape that includes vast plains, giant volcanoes, and valleys. Dust storms can envelop the entire planet for months. While Mars has polar ice caps and evidence suggests it once had flowing water, the current lack of stable liquid water bodies makes it inhospitable for life as we know it. For humans to live on Mars, they would need to reside in habitats that provide life support systems to supply air, water, and food, and protect them from extreme temperatures and radiation. Despite these challenges, Mars is the target of extensive research and exploration due to its potential for past life and human colonization in the future.
Jupiter's next, the biggest of all. With a giant storm, like a big red ball. Jupiter, Jupiter, giant and grand. More moons than fingers on your hand.
Hi, I am planet Jupiter. The largest planet in our solar system is a gas giant composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. It lacks a solid surface, making traditional habitation impossible. The atmosphere of Jupiter is turbulent and features extreme weather conditions, including colossal storm systems like the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. The atmospheric pressure within Jupiter increases dramatically beneath the clouds, reaching levels that would crush any spacecraft or human. Additionally, the planet's strong magnetic field generates lethal levels of radiation, far exceeding what humans can survive. Jupiter's environment is characterized by rapid wind speeds, reaching tens of thousands of kilometers per hour, and temperatures vary greatly depending on depth. The outer atmosphere is extremely cold, while temperatures increase significantly toward the planet's core. Given its lack of a solid surface, extreme atmospheric conditions, immense pressure, and high radiation levels, Jupiter is entirely unfit for human life. Exploration of Jupiter is conducted through unmanned spacecraft and telescopes, which provide valuable data about the gas giant and its moons.
Look at Saturn, with rings so wide. Made of ice, they circle outside. Saturn, Saturn, rings so bright. You're a cosmic jewel in the night.
Hi, I am planet Saturn, renowned for its spectacular ring system, is a gas giant like Jupiter, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It lacks a solid surface, making it inherently unsuitable for human habitation. Saturn's atmosphere is characterized by extreme winds and storms, with the famous hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole being a notable example. The environmental conditions on Saturn are harsh and inhospitable. The atmospheric pressure increases significantly as one goes deeper into the planet, reaching levels that would crush any human-made object not specifically designed to withstand such conditions. Furthermore, temperatures vary greatly, with the upper atmosphere being extremely cold due to its distance from the Sun. Saturn's magnetic field is weaker than Jupiter's but still strong enough to produce lethal radiation levels, posing another significant barrier to human survival. Additionally, the absence of a solid surface means there is no ground to stand on or resources that could be easily used for human sustenance. The combination of lack of a solid surface, extreme atmospheric conditions, high pressure, cold temperatures, and radiation makes Saturn an environment completely unfit for humans. Exploration and study of Saturn and its moons are conducted through unmanned spacecraft, such as the Cassini probe, which have provided invaluable insights into the planet's characteristics and the dynamics of its rings and moons.
Uranus and Neptune, blue and far. In the cold, distant sky, you're a star. Uranus, Neptune, so far away. Maybe we'll visit another day.
Hi, I am planet Uranus. The seventh planet from the Sun is a cold and windy ice giant, distinct for its blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus lacks a solid surface. It has a core of ice and rock surrounded by a thick mantle of water, ammonia, and methane ices, and a gaseous atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The extreme conditions on Uranus make it an inhospitable place for humans. Its average temperature hovers around -353 degrees Fahrenheit, -214 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. The planet's tilt is unique, with an axial tilt of about 98 degrees, causing it to rotate on its side. This leads to extreme seasonal variations, with each pole experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus's atmosphere also experiences strong winds, with speeds reaching up to 560 miles per hour, 900 kilometers per hour. Additionally, the pressure and temperatures increase dramatically beneath the upper clouds, creating an environment that would be lethal for humans. The lack of a solid surface, combined with extreme cold, high winds, and the composition of its atmosphere, renders Uranus unfit for human life. Exploration of Uranus is challenging and has so far been limited to flyby missions, such as the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1986, which provided valuable data on the planet, its rings, and its moons.
Flew far, to Neptune so blue, where winds whirl wild, and mysteries grew. With rings so slight, and Triton in view, he waved goodbye, as back home he flew.
Hi, I am planet Neptune, a distant gas giant, presents an environment that is incredibly hostile to human life. With no solid surface, Neptune is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and traces of methane, which gives it a striking blue color. The planet experiences extreme weather conditions, with the fastest winds in the solar system reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Temperatures are frigid, dropping to around minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit minus 214 degrees Celsius, due to its far distance from the Sun. Neptune's atmosphere is thick and features dynamic storm systems, including the Great Dark Spot, which are much larger and more violent than Earth's storms. The atmospheric pressure is crushingly high, and the presence of methane, hydrogen, and helium means there is no breathable air for humans. Additionally, Neptune's magnetic field generates intense radiation belts that are lethal to humans. With these extreme conditions, no solid ground, freezing temperatures, high winds, crushing pressure, and deadly radiation, Neptune is utterly unfit for human habitation.
Journey, bold and bright. To Pluto, in the deep night. Far beyond, in space's light. A dwarf planet, a wondrous sight.
Hi, I am Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. This icy world is characterized by its extremely cold environment, with surface temperatures averaging around minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit minus 225 degrees Celsius. Pluto's thin atmosphere, primarily composed of nitrogen with traces of methane and carbon monoxide, is incapable of supporting human life. The atmosphere undergoes dramatic changes, expanding when Pluto is closer to the Sun and freezing onto the surface as it moves away. The surface of Pluto is diverse, with areas of frozen nitrogen, rugged mountains made of water ice, and vast plains. It also features a heart-shaped glacier known as Sputnik Planitia, which is one of its most distinctive features. However, this remote and cold environment, coupled with low gravity, about 1/15 of Earth's gravity, makes it a challenging and inhospitable place for humans. Lack of breathable air, extreme cold, and significant distance from Earth further complicate the potential for human exploration or habitation. While fascinating for scientific study, particularly regarding its geology and potential subsurface ocean, Pluto remains an unfit environment for humans due to its harsh conditions. Welcome home, space explorers. Welcome back, my brave explorers. I've missed you.
Thank you, Earth. We've traveled far and seen so much, but there's truly no place like home. We saw the rings of Saturn. And Jupiter's big storm. Uranus was on its side.
On Earth, it sounds like you've had quite the adventure among the stars. But remember, no matter how fascinating other planets are, I'm here to provide you with air, water, and life. There's no other planet quite like me.
That's right, Earth. Our journey taught us just how special and important you are. We must take care of you and cherish our home.
Earth, and I'll always be here to welcome you home. Now, tell me more about your adventures.
Thank you, friends, for flying so high. Learning about space, under the sky. With Astro and pals, what fun we had. Exploring the planets makes us glad. Goodbye for now, but not for long. Remember space, where we belong. Keep dreaming and exploring, night and day. For in your heart, space will always stay. Now back to Earth, our journey ends. But our space adventure never bends. Space is vast, with wonders to find. Keep looking up, keep dreaming kind. Dear explorers, young and old, across the globe, our adventure through space has shown us incredible sights, from the rings of Saturn to the storms of Jupiter. But none of these wonders can match the beauty and life of our own planet Earth. It's our home, the only place we know that supports life as we cherish it. Let's promise to love and protect our Earth, to keep its water clean, its air pure, and its forests lush. We've seen that other planets in our solar system are uninhabitable and stark reminders of how unique and precious Earth truly is. Together, let's ensure our planet remains a vibrant haven for generations to come. Remember, we only have one Earth. Let's take care of it with all the love in our hearts.